YouTube channel. This is Shivangi and today we are doing a haul video. I'm really excited about it because today we are opening this huge package from Savannah by Urbanic. It has loads of clothes and I'm so excited about it because this is one of my favorite brands. The quality fabric, the quality of work, the designs, the colors, I love everything about this brand. So yeah, let's directly dive into the video. Also, I did not tell you guys that I do not have a mic currently and I'm looking for one. So if you have any suggestions, so please let me know. But background noise ho sakta hai, so please cooperate. And I cannot even switch on my fan right now because awaaz aayegi, but it's so freaking hot. But we'll make this work. So let's open the package. I've been waiting for this for so long. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. Let's check them out one by one. Also, I'll put my video wearing it here and so that you can have a real look on how it actually looks. So let's go. The first product that we are going to check is this green dress. इसमें सारे shades of green है and जब मैंने order किया था I knew that it will look so good and it definitely the colors look so good to me. ये one shoulder dress है, it will look like this and यहाँ पे on the side it has a cut, so it looks really cool by the way and it's a pretty long dress. I love the fabric, it's soft and definitely I'm gonna wear it to some party. You can check out my Instagram and follow me there so that you can have a look whenever I wear all the fits for Urbanic. I mean, this is for me 9 out of 10. So good, the fabric looked good, in total I think 9 out of 10. The second one that we are going to check out is a gym fit. So I got these two products alag. ये leggings हैं and this is the upper and this is the bottom. But मेरे से थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई. I thought ये same color के हैं, but बहुत ही light difference है दोनों में. I love the fabric obviously and I love how they look. But थोड़ा सा I think color difference है. You can see. I mean, I'll still wear it because I love it. And the fabric, I have so many fits of my gym from Urbanic itself and I love it. I love it how they fit me like a glove. I love how they look. They are so stylish, they are so colorful. I love it and it's so stretchy. I absolutely love it. And this is the upper. On upper, I think it has huge coverage as well as it has huge support and it looks cool. They have their branding right here. It looks really good. Pretty. And the color is so beautiful. So if color difference nahi hota, so I would have given it 10 on 10. But that was my mistake, so I cannot do anything about it. So let's check out the other one. So the next product is this dress again. This is purple and all kind of purplish shade. Oh my god, I love the fabric. It's so soft. It's stretchy definitely and it looks so cute. I love how the shade of purple, I love it. And I think the length is 3/4. It's not that full, like पैर तक नहीं है and it's so soft guys, it's so soft. This is perfect for date night, so comfortable. I know I'm gonna be super comfortable wearing this. I would like to rate it 10 out of 10 because I love it. I love it. Also ये जो bottom में the flow of the dress is like this. I actually love it. And I have to stop saying love because I have said it 100 times in this video already. So let's just go to the next product. Okay, let's review a bikini. This is a very cute baby pink bikini I got from, actually it's a bodysuit, not bikini. It has two parts. This is the body suit, okay, and then you have to wear this underneath it, and it has a little rose detailing on it. Love it. Cute, super cute, super cute. The fabric is nice, of course. The color is so cute and vibrant. I love it. I think I'm gonna take this to my next beach place, definitely. Rating it 9 out of 10 because I do not have anything bad to review about it. It's perfect. Okay, so the next product is this black dress. Literally, I have nothing black in my wardrobe, but I had to get this dress because it is so cute, and you will know why I'm saying this because, I mean, it looks so cute. This is all over my Pinterest. I love it. I mean the size, and I know it's gonna fit me so good. The fabric is perfectly nice. It's an off-shoulder dress, so perfect for any date night and perfect for a girls outing, any date night. Perfect. It's super cute. I love it. I love it. I will definitely rate it out 10 out of 10. I mean, it looks cute. Okay, so the next product that I'm gonna review is this cute little mini denim skirt. It's purple in color. Also, इसमें shorts जैसा है अंदर, which is the best part of this skirt. And I think this is perfectly mini, if you know what I mean. It looks like this. It also has this belt on it. Perfect. Looks cute as well as cool at the same time. So I would rate this 11 out of 10. Perfect. Just perfect. Okay, so the next product that we have is this jumpsuit that I got. It's grey in color. It's backless. Backless, by backless I mean it has a cutting at the back. It's flared at the bottom and it's long. It looks like this, and it's pretty simple and basic yet super stylish. Again, I cannot say anything bad about it because it fits me like a glove. It's perfect. It looks so stunning. 11 out of 10. I'm sorry, 11 out of 10. Okay, so the next product that I have is this cord set. I was super excited about this. So it is a long skirt. It is long and it looks so good. It's perfect white and black. And the next is this top. It's a halter neck top, and it's in the same shade, of course. So these two, and the fabric is really soft and stretchy, so it fit me really good, and I love the fabric. I love the details of black and white, the black lining. I definitely love it. And I mean, I would love to wear this anytime I go out because this will definitely look stunning. So yeah, I think I would rate this 9 out of 10. Next product that we have is again a bikini beach wear. This is a 3-piece set. So it has the upper bikini, the bottom, it looks like this, and a cover up, which is as cute as the bikini. This makes everything look so good. Yeah, the 3 set is perfect. The color, I love the color. It's beige, and the cover up is a little yellowish, and I love it. It matches the bikini perfectly, and I would like to rate this 8 out of 10. Yeah, so the next product that I have is again a gym wear. I got these two products alag hi, but finally, and thank God, ye same aaya hai, not like the blue one. So this is the upper. This is the upper. I usually do not like this color of fabric, if you know what I mean. This patch kind of thing मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था, but I thought कि let's just try for once. So this is the upper, and it looks like this, kind of cute. And the bottom, I'll just show you guys. It's a legging. Yeah, it looks like this, nice stretch, and this is the front, this is the back. It kind of looks similar, and it finally matches. I was so nervous because मैंने ये दोनों चीज़ अलग अलग मंगाई थी. टॉप अलग मिल रहा था, बॉटम अलग मिल रहा था. I was not sure कि ये सेम कलर का होगा कि नहीं, but it is, and I think it will look nice. So I would rate it 7 out of 10 because I do not really like the patch जो इस पे डिज़ाइन है. I do not like that, but I just thought to try it out, so 7 out of 10. Okay, so finally हम last product पे आ चुके हैं. The last product that I have is this swimsuit, which you might have seen on my Instagram. So this is the swimsuit. Yeah. Again, black and white. I love the color. I just thought that it would look super cool on beach if I wear it. Perfect for any pool party, any beach place. So yeah, I think it looks good. The fabric is good. So I would rate it 9 out of 10. So lastly, I also got one ring from Urbanic. So this is a little cute ring. I'll wear it. Oh, it looks cute. It's a bow. It has bow detailing on it, and I think you guys will like it too. It looks cute. I like it. So I might have reviewed loads and loads of stuff from Urbanic, but I have to say that Urbanic has unbeatable and unmatchable quality of products. I know it is a bit expensive sometimes, not actually expensive, but you know, when I was in college, this was expensive for me. So yeah, maybe a bit expensive, but the quality is so good, the fabric is so good. I think you'll never have the size issue. So I think it's nice, and for me, I perfectly love everything about Urbanic. Also, the dresses that I ordered are small. The bottoms that I ordered is medium, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you like this video. Do not forget to save and subscribe and like my video, and I'll keep coming out with more and more such videos. Maybe I'll just get a mic next time because मुझे पता है आवाज़ गूंज रही होगी. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.